guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to show you guys how to make pizza. This is a DIY on how to make a pizza at home. Ingredients needed to make 2 pizzas. 4 cups of flour, 2 and 5 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 4 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Okay, so in this bowl right here, there is about 4 cups of flour. We have 4 cups of flour, and here is 600 milliliters of water, and we're gonna put this 1 teaspoon. Add 2 teaspoons of yeast to approximately 2 cups of warm water. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the water, or you can even add the flour. Leave the yeast for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, or until the yeast dissolves in water. Add 4 teaspoons of salt to the flour. This will give it some flavor. Now add the warm water that has the yeast first. Then add water. You may not need the rest of the 2 cups, so just add as you need more. Add 4 teaspoons of olive oil. This will give it a softer feel and won't stick to your hands much. Mix it really well until the dough is starting to become sticky. Then we'll put in the mixer for approximately 10 minutes or until it is not sticky on the edges. You may need to add more flour or water.
It should look like this. No, it shouldn't.
Look something like this.
Pizza noob, right?
Noob! Noob! Noob, 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 noob. Noob, you noob. You have no Robux. But you have no Robux, haha.
Oh.
You noob.
You? What about you? Where's your pizza? Right there?
That's all he's gonna
What's
eat
your
for
pizza?
dinner.
Wow.
Put a little more olive oil on top and let it rest on the bowl for approximately 45 minutes or until you see the dough has risen to almost double the size. This will depend on the temperature of your home and location. Once that is done, cut in half. Each half is enough for 1 pizza. You can use a roller to stretch it, making it even. You can use your fingers to stretch the sides to make it dough round if you need. Apply the sauce evenly and start putting all your ingredients. In this case, we put some regular pizza sauce and shredded cheese and our ingredients on top.
Guys, do not do this at home alone. Have at least one of your parents to supervise you. Meanwhile, while you guys wait and we wait, we're gonna eat chips. You guys should eat chips.
Delicious. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Hope you guys enjoy our homemade pizza. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, peeps.
Santos peeps, Dylan. Bye, peeps.